Hello, Pardon Academy. This is Mr. Suarez Mystery, and welcome to today's assembly. I hope you enjoyed that first video. So I'm just going to share my screen. So today's assembly is about the Holi festival. So what is the Holi festival? Now, the Holi festival is also known as the Festival of Colours. As you can see from the picture and from the first video that you saw, you can see that everyone was throwing different colour powders and water and having lots of fun. But the main thing is so colourful. It was originally celebrated in North India, where it is a national holiday. It is now celebrated in many parts of the world. It marks the beginning of spring, usually in March, and this year it starts on the 28th of March and then finishes on the 29th of March. Now, it has a religious meaning. Now, Holi is a Hindu celebration. So, for example, I am a Hindu, okay? We believe in Hinduism, funnily enough. Now, when we were younger, we used to go to Holi parties when I was a child, and we used to throw like water balloons and get really colourful, lots of powders. You know, our parents enjoyed it at the time, but they didn't like the washing up. It celebrated Krishna and the legend of Holika and Prahlad. And Hindu believes that Krishna threw water over milkmaids as a child, and this developed into the games of Holi. Now, this is the story of Prahlad, but I'm not going to read it to you. I'm going to show you a next video. In the video, it will tell you the story behind Holi. So I'll see you in a second after the video has stopped to finish off the assembly. So I hope you enjoy the story of Holi.
Once upon a time, an evil king ruled in India. He thought he was the most powerful king of the world. He wanted everyone to pray to him. A brave little boy named Prahlad wasn't afraid though. Oh, that's a tricky name. Should we try to say it together? Let's do it. Prahlad. One more time. Prahlad. You got it. He refused to pray to the evil king. The king tried to scare Prahlad with mean words, but it did not work. Prahlad still refused to pray to him. The king got very angry. He thought of a way to hurt Prahlad. What a mean king! The king's sister, Holika, had a magical power. Oh, let's learn how to say her name. It's Holika. One more time. Holika. And she had a magical power. She could sit in fire without getting hurt. The king made Prahlad sit on Holika's lap in the fire. The king thought the fire would hurt Prahlad, but not Holika. But when they sat in the fire, a magical thing happened. The fire did not hurt Prahlad at all. Instead, Holika disappeared in the fire. Because Prahlad was such a nice boy, the evil king and his sister could not hurt him at all. We celebrate Holi to show that good always wins over evil. A long time ago, people celebrated Holi by burning a bonfire. So you'd make a huge fire. They put burnt wood or ash on their foreheads. Later on, they started using colored powder instead of ash to make it more fun.
I hope you enjoyed that story on Holi. So we're just going to look at a few of the celebrations of Holi. Now, celebrations start with a Holika bonfire on the night before Holi. And then people sing and dance around the fire and roast grains, popcorn and coconuts around it. We also throw chickpeas onto the fire. And then last year's rubbish is burnt to represent new beginnings. Effigies of Holika are burnt on the fire in some parts of India. And the next day, people of all ages go out on the streets for a carnival of colours. Everyone plays, chases each other with dry powder and coloured water. And some people carry around water guns and water balloons filled with coloured water, ready for a water fight. And people sing, dance, and have fun together, no matter who they are. And you can see there's some of you may have water guns at home, and imagine filling them with coloured water and spraying your friends and family. And you might have some water balloons, and you might do the same. These are pictures. These are bags of the powdered colour. You can see some people are just pouring the colour into their head. And you can see by these pictures how colourful it is. So this is what the powdered colour looks like. Okay, and you can just throw it back at everyone. It's so much fun. And then it's ladies dancing, even though she's really, really happy, but she's covered in all the coloured powder. And people just throw it up in the air. And you can see some children there lying down. Obviously, you can see on their faces they've had such a great time. And just had lots of fun. So I hope you've enjoyed the assembly. Next will be a short video just to give you more ideas and show you what actually happens in Holi. People just getting really colourful and having a great time. But I hope you've had a fantastic week, and then I hope to see you soon, either in your P lessons or in the assemblies. Okay, bye.
Min bäste vän, kväll ljusen dim.